From LG Electronics. Today we are making a recipe of white pumpkin halwa using for the very less ghee on that, and that called for the kashi halwa. For the ingredients, so here I taken for the grated white pumpkin, sugar to taste, milk powder, dry nuts, elachi powder, and the 2 to 3 spoons of ghee. I can add for the 1 spoon of ghee on this first. We'll mix well because this water content is there more, so we want to cook it for the minimum 10 minutes in microwave. See now, I'll keep inside. Here we can select for the micro 900 power. 900 power, enter, set the time for 10 minutes. 10 minutes, start. So this, it will be take for the minimum 10 minutes to boil that. So after that we can add all the ingredients. We'll keep it for another 8 to 10 minutes. Last 10 to 15 seconds is there. You can see after 10-15 minutes, so the white pumpkin cooked nicely. Once we'll take it out, we can add ingredients in that. Just have a look. Add the sugar. So we'll add a sugar, milk powder. Again, mix well. We'll keep it for the another 5 minutes on this. This is mixed well. Now I can keep last 10 minutes is there. Keep that and start. Last 15 seconds is there. So after the 15 seconds, your white pumpkin halwa is ready. See. So our white pumpkin halwa is ready. The whatever the ghee part will be there, it comes up on us. Okay, thank you.